Good day guys. Today I'll be showing us how to use the Windows PowerShell on your laptop to set up a mining node. So for case study, I'll be showing you how to use the Windows PowerShell to set up the GAGA node. This way you are able to mine GAGA on your laptop in a very simple way. There are about 5 steps to ensure that you activate your GaGa node on the Windows PowerShell. So the process is quite simple and easy. The first step, of course, is to sign up for GaGa node. You will find the sign up link in the video description. After signing up, then you verify your sign up, then log into your GaGa node account. After doing that, you click on install and run. If you do those steps, you have this page. After that, you use the search button on your laptop. You search for PowerShell. You right click on the PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Then yes. After doing this, then you come back to your browser page, the install and run page. Then you copy the first instruction, which says download and install. On the Windows PowerShell, you have to right click on the page to paste the copied link. So you right click the first step, then enter. As you can see, it is installing the code settings. It's a simple step. Just wait out your network provider and watch as your GaGa node gets installed on the Windows PowerShell. Yeah, it says service is already running, and this is because I had previously installed GaGa node on my Windows PowerShell. Then you copy the second link to start service. You right click again to paste, then enter. Sorry. Then you check the status of your installation. Running. Then you copy the fourth step, which is to set tokens. You right click again and press enter. Then you complete the final stage, which is to restart. You right click again and then restart. After doing this process, you have to wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then you come back to your GaGa page on your web browser. Then you click on nodes to see if your node is now online. Here, as you can see, the node is online. Then you click on reward to see how much GaGa node you are mining per minute. So it's a very simple and straightforward process. And also, you can use the Windows PowerShell for more than one mining app if you find more that you want to use it with. Thanks for watching. See you another time. Bye.